We also do a lot of ADR, which is automated dialogue recording, both for films that we handle in post-production, because we do a complete package, and sometimes just as a service for overseas clients like the US. We worked for Warner Bros, so we worked for Fox. We worked for lots of clients who need to have a local studio who can handle talent in France when the actor lives here, maybe for French actors or actors who are on holiday here. So we're here to do ADR for them. And we can do that either in this studio or in our Aubervilliers studio, which is the bigger Foley and ADR studio. And Nuendo is very, very important to us for that because it streamlines the process. We can receive cue sheets either as PDF files or as CSV files, which are text files, or text files that can be opened in Excel. And we can import those and create already a timeline that's ready to go. The process then for recording is quite simple. You have 3 buttons, which are rehearse, record, and playback. It makes us concentrate on the actual job, which is recording the best sound possible for these ADR tracks. We have clients who really trust us and put their faith in us to record this track. And they're maybe 2,000 miles away, or maybe just the other side of the channel, maybe they're in England. And we're here, there's usually just me and the actor, and they need to get the best result possible, and they need to count on that to have the best result possible in the mix. So Nuendo makes it really easy to do that, and the actors are usually very happy to have swipes or beeps, and it can sort of cater for every need and every sort of fancy that the actor could have in terms of monitoring. Does he want to listen to production, doesn't want to listen to production, how much pre-roll and stuff like that. It's very easy to set up. If we want to name names, yeah, we've had some A-list actors come in for ADR here. We've had Jessica Biel, we've had Natalie Portman and Viggo Mortensen. We've had quite a few very big actors. We also had Marion Cotillard on other films, local actress, but Oscar. And they're very happy that we can really sort of react and give them what they want so that they're comfortable to do their ADR.